Ciao Tesla people, today I wanted to do a video about the audio presets that was changed in the Tesla update 2025.26.4. So in the main menu, if you go to the audio, you get a new label, and this stays on for a few days when you do an update and there is a new feature. So in this case the audio, and the presets are here. Basically, you can create a preset for, I don't know, for example, if you like dance music or rock music or techno or pop music or whatever, you can set the balance of the basses and the mid and the treble, okay? And of course, you can set also the immersive sound. So let's try to do one. Of course, you can check even the balance, where is the sounds coming from. You know, most likely you want to balance right in the center. So let's create one for rock, okay? So we'll do create, and we label it rock, okay? Actually, let me first change some stuff here. Or let's do this. Let's create right here, and then we'll do, instead of auto immersive, we do high, and then we create a dance, like techno, that kind of stuff, okay? And we set it this guy. So now let's change. Let's pull up this, and let's pull up this, and the middle we'll put down a bit. You can play around, of course, with this, and we create a new one, and we say rock, okay? And we still kept the immersive sound to high instead of auto, okay? So now if we play music, so let's go to dance. I'm going to play music just a few seconds, otherwise I get a copyright strike. And so I have Wake Me Up from Avicii. And so you can change this. And so you can change the balance of the settings like that. It's not right away noticeable because I played just a little bit of the song, because otherwise I get a copyright strike. But of course, if you change these things, you will hear the difference. So this is cool because you can set whatever settings you want, instead of keep it set to 1, and based on the music that you like and you play back, you can set different settings of the equalizer. Of course, also in the immersive sound option, okay? Down here, of course, you have explicit content option. I set it to off, and then you can allow the mobile control. So from the mobile app, you can set control this music. Also, you can select which service you want to see and to play with. So I kept the radio and the Bluetooth, Spotify and Amazon Music and YouTube Music. I'm not sure I'm going to keep this one because I don't have the music from YouTube service, and all the other ones I don't have it. So based on your preference or your services, you can have other services set here. So the source from the media sources can be set here, okay? So that's the change that they introduced in Tesla update 2025.26. I had a DAF4, so just a latest one. So it's pretty cool because you can set it the equalizer based on the music that you listen, if it's different genres, and that's it. So it's fun, it's cool. Anyway, check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla using my referral code, you can get a $500 discount of 500 euros. And also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.